Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erika Dwi Andini, the founder of TakaCare, a digital health insurance platform based on the Takaful concept. Today, I'd like to present our business plan and invite Bank Syariah Indonesia to become our strategic partner and investor in building a halal, inclusive, and tech-based health protection solution for all Indonesia. Indonesia still faces major challenges in the health sector, especially in access to service and financial protection. The penetration rate of health insurance is still below 5%, and conventional systems are often not Sharia compliant as they contain elements of gharar and riba. Next, I create a solution is TakaCare. Okay. TakaCare is a Takaful-based health insurance company. TakaCare is a Takaful-based health insurance service that integrates Islamic principles, transparency, and digital innovation. We operate under the Tabaru or mutual donation and Wakalah bil Ujroh or agency with fee contracts. Our vision to be the best Sharia health insurance service provider in Indonesia, and the mission is first, providing health insurance service in accordance with Sharia principles, and the second is increase public awareness of the importance of health protection, and the last mission is building a strong and true Sharia health service ecosystem. We aim for 20, we are from 20%, 20% growth per year, break-even point within 3 years, and allocate 2.5% of profit to zakat and social activities. Okay. Next, TakaCare is designed to address the lack of access to halal health insurance in Indonesia, especially for informal workers and micro business. We ensure full compliance with Islamic principle and avoid any involvement in prohibit haram industry. So, the business case operation participants for fund will be returned according to the contract, and assets will be liquidated in accordance with Sharia guidelines. Okay. Next, our SWOT analysis shows first is strange. Strange include transparent and ethical Sharia-based business model. The second is support by Takaful system. And the last strange is utilizing digital technology for operational efficiency and increased accessibility. The second is weakness, include public awareness of insurance is still low. The second is lack of understanding of Takaful mechanism compared to conventional insurance. And the last weakness is need large investment to build trust and educate the market. And then opportunities include Islamic economic growth and government regulatory support, and then increasing public awareness of the importance of Sharia-based health protection. And the last one of opportunities is development of financial technology or fintech that allow wider and more efficient access to service. And the last is threat, include competition with other conventional and Sharia insurance. The second is regulatory change that may affect business operation. And the last challenge in gaining initial trust from the public due to low Islamic financial literacy. Next, let's move on to product and market analysis. Taka Care offer coverage for inpatient and outpatient service, surgery, medical consultation, and Islamic alternative treatment. Key advantage include fast claim. Key advantage include fast claims through the application, flexible protection, individuals, families, and micro, small, medium. No late fees or interest and free health education and consultation. Our target our target market includes Muslim seeking halal for Sharia health insurance, and then informal workers and micro, small, medium with no insurance access. Yep. And then employers of Sharia-based partner companies. And the last one is millennial and Gen Z, who are digitally savvy and care about halal finance. Next, Indonesia's Sharia economy is growing rapidly, especially in microfinance and healthcare. The government is actively encouraging the takaful industry through literacy and regulation. Muslim consumers are increasingly aware of aligning financial decisions with their values, creating strong demand for ethical and halal products. Our main competitors include Prudential Syariah, Takaful Keluarga, and BPJS Kesehatan. Takacare differentiates itself through transparent use of Wakala and Tabaruk system, community involvement in fund management, and strong halal branding. And the last one is digital accessibility and flexibility. Next, halal branding and positioning. We position Takacare as more than a financial product. It is a form of ibadah and social contribution. Our brand, our brand reflects Islamic values of adil or justice, next ta'awun or mutual help, and siddiq or truthfulness. Visual are Islamic and digital friendly, and we aim to secure the SNN MUI to increase credibility. Okay, and then building a community of active users in the dakwah of Islamic finance. Next, promotion strategies. First, digital marketing, social media, interactive website, and email marketing. And the second is influencer marketing, collaboration with Muslim influencer and ustads or ustazah. And the last one is referral program, incentive and points of or cashback of for service recommendation. Next, fire pricing strategy. Based on the principle of justice or adil without element of gharar and maisir. And the second is contribution are adjust to the risk profile and needs of participants, no late fees or interest, and then contribution can be evaluated and adjust periodically. And the last one is affordable packages available for micro, small, medium, and underprivileged communities. Next, organizational structure and technology. Takacare is led by a professional team, CEO, C, COO, CFO, CMO, and CTO, with oversight from a Sharia Supervisor Board. Our technology stack includes a mobile application for onboarding, payments, claims, and health consultation. And the second is AI system for risk analysis and fraud detection. And the last, an admin dashboard to monitor phone usage, health data, and business performance. Okay. Next, let's move on to financial plan. We are seeking an initial capital investment of 1.1 billion Indonesian rupiahs to cover the essential costs of launching Takacares in its first year. The funding will support digital infrastructure, core team recruitment, operation, marketing campaigns, and legal Sharia compliance. So, please allow me to explain our financing plan in full detail. First, platform technology. We will allocate 350 million Indonesian rupiah for the development of our digital platform. This includes as a mobile application for participant service and admin dashboard for phone and client management, and then backend integration for secure payment and a data protection system. This infrastructure is vital for Takacare to operate as a modern and efficient Islamic inserted solution. The second is labor cost. We have budgeting 400 million Indonesian rupiahs for salary and compensation for our core management team, including CEO, CTO, CFO, and initial customer service and marketing staff. This CEO, COO, CFO, CMO, CTO, and staff operational, customer service, and IT support. Okay, next, operational cost. This includes essential costs such as cloud server hosting, communication tools, and then office utilities, and then help data service, and day-to-day administrative operation during the launch phase. Okay, next, marketing cost. We plan to invest 215 million Indonesian rupiahs into digital marketing activities to reach our early adopters. This includes social media campaigns, and then educational webinar, and then Islamic influencer partnership, and community outreach focus on halal, financial literacy, and healthcare. Next, legal and certification. This amount will cover our legal registration and halal certification from DSN MUI, and then compliance setup and the establishment of a Sharia supervisory board to oversee our operation according to fatwas and OJK Sharia regulation. Okay, the total initial investment we require is 1.1 billion Indonesian rupiah to fully operationally Takacare in its first year. This investment will provide a strong foundation to scale our product, earn public trust, and grow sustainably in the Islamic insurance market. Okay. About financial goals and impact, we aim to reach 10,000 participants within 3 years. Then the break-even point, or BEP, will be achieved in year 3 years, with 1,000 participants. Okay. contribution revenue target to 24 billion Indonesian rupiah, and then 2.5% of annual net profit will be donated to zakat and social activities. And the last one is we also plan to support underprivileged families and public health activities. Okay, revenue of model and profitability projection. First, income comes from participants' contribution, ujroh as a management fee, and Sharia investment such as sukuk and deposit. The second is profit are shared between participants and manager according to the contract, and underwriting surplus is returned proportionally. And the last, project profit grow 30% per year with an estimated net profit of 350 million Indonesian rupiah in the third year of their operational cost. Okay, as part of our commitment to Islamic ethical values, Takakir is not only focused on financial growth, but also on social impact and responsibility. First, corporate zakat. We will allocate 2.5% of the annual net profit for corporate zakat in accordance with Islamic obligation. The zakat will be distributed through Amil Zakat Institution to support health-related causes, education, and humanitarian needs. Then, we believe this is not only an act of worship, but also a way to maintain social justice and support the economic well-being of the Umroh. Next, corporate social responsibility or CSR. In addition to zakat, we have designed a CSR program that aligns with our mission to make health protection accessible for all. Our CSR includes first providing premium assistance to low-income families who cannot afford health coverage, then delivering education and awareness program about health and Islamic finance in communities and schools. And the last, donating medical equipment to public healthcare facilities in underserved areas. Through this approach, we position Takakir not just a business, but as a catalyst for real, meaningful change. Okay, we manage risk. First, Sharia compliance risk. The risk of Sharia non-conformity is addressed by regular TPS audits. And the second is policies are periodically adjusted to follow the rules of DSN and DSN, MUI, and OJK Sharia. Then market and operational risk. Competition is overcome with digital innovation and continuous promotion. Technology dependency is anticipated with backup system and participant fluctuation. Okay, are kept in check to customer education and retention. And then ethical consideration. The management of fund is carried out in a fair, trustworthy, and transparent manner, accompanied by regular reports to participants regarding tabarrufan, surpluses, and the use of contribution. And next, takaful or Islamic insurance as a risk mitigation strategy. First, tabarruf funds. Tabarruf funds as a form of help for participants in bearing health risk. And the second is risk reserves are established for contribution to maintain the sustainability of the program. And the second is Ritakaful. Ritakaful is applied to share major risks and protect participants' funds. Okay. Lastly, we include a preview of our platform tooling. Okay, it showcases the early design of our app interface, features such as participants registration, contribution payment, fast claim processing, and health consultation access. Registration, fast claim, and Mitra transparency. Okay. Okay, I'll design with user convenience and Islamic principles in mind. Okay, that concludes of my presentation. We believe that with the support and partnership of Bank Syariah Indonesia, Takacare can become a pioneer in inclusive, ethical, and health protection. Together, we can make healthcare not only safe but also based and Sharia compliant. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.